Ah, hello, I'm Joe.
I'm James.
And who is he?
Cousin.
Are there fish in the water? I love catching fish.
We need food to catch the fish.
Ah, food for the fish.
We need corn.
Wait here.
That's popcorn. We need corn.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Now the fish will come. Oh. I love catching fish. Careful.
Are you okay, Joe?
Now we can catch fish. Ah, I caught a fish! Ooh.
What about you, Finny?
Hey!
Finny caught a fish!
Well done, Finian.
When we got back, we let the fish return home to the river.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.